You think you've seen every smart tool your workshop needs, but a few of these can completely change how you measure, cut, and build from day one. On TechVerse, we're revealing genius woodworking tools that solve real problems faster than you expect. Stay till the end, because every single tool you see has its Amazon link waiting in the description, and missing one might cost you your next perfect project. 4-in-1 ruler. When marking multiple measurements across a project, switching tools slows everything down and increases mistakes. The 4-in-1 ruler combines measuring, marking, leveling, and drilling alignment into one solid aluminum tool. Dual-axis bubble levels help maintain accuracy, while engraved markings stay visible over time. It is especially useful when installing shelves or hardware where precision matters. It simplifies layout work and helps you complete tasks faster with fewer adjustments. Talisa blades. Cutting through mixed materials like wood with embedded nails can damage standard blades quickly. Talisa blades are designed for oscillating tools with a wavy tooth pattern that improves cutting efficiency and reduces heat buildup. Their construction supports durability across wood, metal, and composite materials. Compatible with most major multi-tools, they provide consistent performance. They are a reliable option for clean, controlled cuts in demanding renovation and woodworking tasks. Bionic wrench. Working with different bolt sizes often means carrying multiple wrenches. The bionic wrench solves this by automatically adjusting to grip fasteners with a 6-sided contact system. This design reduces slipping and prevents damage to softer materials. Its compact form makes it easy to handle in tight spaces. It provides a secure grip with less effort, making fastening tasks faster and more controlled. Contour gauge. Cutting materials around irregular shapes like pipes or corners can lead to wasted material. The contour gauge captures exact profiles by pressing its pins against the surface, allowing you to transfer the shape directly onto your workpiece. Available in different sizes, it works well for flooring, trim, and custom fitting tasks. It is a simple but effective tool for achieving accurate cuts without repeated trial and error. Nano blade saw. Freehand cutting can often lead to rough edges and loss of control, especially on detailed work. The nano blade saw uses a chain-style blade system that delivers low vibration and allows clean, straight cuts without pre-drilling. Its design supports plunge cuts and quick blade changes without tools. Lightweight and easy to handle, it is useful for precise cuts in wood and plastic, helping you work faster with better control. Hedgehog featherboard. Keeping wood stable during cuts is critical for both safety and accuracy. The Hedgehog featherboard uses a spiral design to hold material firmly against the fence, reducing kickback and improving cut quality. It fits standard miter slots and adjusts quickly with a single knob. Made from durable material, it maintains consistent pressure. It is a reliable tool for achieving smoother, safer cuts on table saws. Chisel sharpener. A dull chisel not only affects results, but also increases the risk of slipping. The chisel sharpener holds the blade at a fixed angle, allowing consistent sharpening without guesswork. Its wide roller design improves stability during use, while the included stone helps restore and refine edges. It works well for both beginners and experienced users. It is an essential tool for maintaining sharp, precise cutting performance. Scribing tool. Accurate marking is the foundation of clean woodworking results. The scribing tool allows you to trace lines, curves, and irregular shapes with adjustable configurations. Made from durable material, it locks into position to maintain consistent measurements. It works well for fitting panels, tiles, or custom pieces where exact alignment is needed. It is a practical tool for improving layout accuracy and reducing errors before cutting. NicPro Carpenter Pencil. When marking inside deep holes or tight corners, standard pencils often fail to reach or break easily. The NicPro Carpenter Pencil is designed with an extended tip that allows precise marking in hard-to-access areas. Its thicker lead resists snapping, while the built-in sharpener keeps it ready for consistent use. It works on wood, metal, and plastic surfaces. It is a simple but essential tool for accurate marking in detailed projects. Little Giant Ladder. Working at height requires both stability and easy access to tools. The Little Giant Ladder is built with wide steps and a sturdy frame that improves balance during use. Integrated features like tool trays and handrails help keep essentials within reach while working. Its foldable design makes transport and storage easier. It is a reliable solution for safer and more efficient work in elevated areas. Saker Mini Chainsaw. Cutting branches or small logs with large chainsaws can feel excessive and difficult to control. The Saker Mini Chainsaw offers a compact, cordless design that allows one-handed operation for light cutting tasks. Equipped with safety features and a rechargeable battery system, it delivers controlled performance. It is ideal for pruning and quick outdoor work where portability and ease of use are important. Rack Magnetic Wristband. During assembly or installation work, constantly reaching for screws or nails can slow progress. The Rack Magnetic Wristband keeps small metal items secured on your wrist using strong built-in magnets. This allows quick access without interrupting your workflow. Its adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit during extended use. It is a practical accessory that improves efficiency by keeping essential hardware within reach at all times. Toja Modular Pergola System. Building an outdoor structure from scratch can be time-consuming and difficult to align properly. The Toja Modular Pergola System uses precision-engineered brackets that allow you to assemble a pergola using standard lumber with accurate angles and strong connections. It supports both freestanding and wall-mounted designs, giving flexibility in layout. The system simplifies construction while maintaining durability, making it a practical solution for creating structured outdoor spaces with less effort. Flattening tool. Rough edges and uneven corners can affect both the look and fit of a project. The flattening tool, also known as a chamfer plane, allows you to smooth and shape edges with adjustable cutting depth. Its compact design provides better control for fine work, while the sharp blade ensures clean material removal. It is useful for refining edges quickly and consistently, helping you achieve a more professional finish on every piece. Kreg Pocket Hole Jig XL. Joining thicker lumber can be challenging without the right setup. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig XL is designed specifically for large stock like 2x4s and 4x4s, creating strong and accurate pocket holes. Its hardened steel drill guides ensure durability, while the design allows consistent spacing. It simplifies joinery for heavy-duty projects, making it easier to build strong frames and structures with reliable results. Flip-out screwdriver. Working in tight or awkward spaces often limits access with standard tools. The flip-out screwdriver features a flexible design that adjusts into multiple positions, allowing better reach in confined areas. It includes a rechargeable system and integrated LED light for visibility during use. Its compact form improves handling and control. It is a practical tool for handling fastening tasks where space and accessibility are limited. Rotary tool. When a project demands multiple operations, switching between tools can slow you down. The rotary tool handles cutting, grinding, sanding, polishing, and engraving with a single motor that can reach high speeds. It comes with a range of accessories and a variable speed control for different materials. Its compact design improves control during detailed work. It is a versatile solution for handling a wide variety of small, precise tasks in one setup. LED work light. Working in low-light areas can affect both accuracy and safety. The LED work light provides strong illumination with a foldable design that fits into tight spaces. Its rotating base allows you to direct light exactly where needed, while the rechargeable battery supports extended use. Built with a durable, water-resistant body, it is suitable for both indoor and outdoor work. It is a reliable lighting solution for maintaining visibility during detailed tasks. Circular saw. Cutting large panels or boards requires both power and control for straight results. The circular saw offers a cordless design that improves mobility while maintaining cutting performance. Adjustable depth settings and a stable grip help guide accurate cuts across different materials. Its compact build reduces fatigue during extended use. It is a dependable tool for making clean, controlled cuts in both workshop and on-site environments. Parallel guide system. Achieving consistent, straight cuts repeatedly can be difficult without a proper guide. The parallel guide system attaches to compatible saw setups and allows precise adjustments for accurate measurements. It supports repeatable rip cuts with minimal setup time. Clear measurement markings improve usability, while the stable design maintains alignment during operation. It is a practical tool for improving precision and efficiency in cutting tasks. TSO Multifunction Fence. When making repeat cuts, even small alignment errors can ruin consistency. The TSO Multifunction Fence provides a rigid reference edge built from durable aluminum, with laser-engraved measurement scales for precise setup. Its dual-arm flip stop allows you to lock in repeatable positions, while the design supports both vertical and horizontal mounting. It integrates smoothly into track systems, making it a reliable solution for accurate, repeatable cutting workflows. Festool Saw Blades. The final quality of any cut depends heavily on the blade you use. Festool saw blades are engineered for precision cutting across wood, laminate, and other materials, using specialized tooth designs for clean, splinter-free results. Their construction reduces vibration and heat buildup, helping maintain smooth performance over time. Available in multiple configurations, they adapt to different tasks, making them a dependable choice for consistent, high-quality cuts. That wraps up the genius woodworking tools that can truly upgrade your workflow. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share your favorite tool in the comments, and subscribe to AU TechVerse for more practical, high-value tool breakdowns that help you work smarter every day.